Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add Dreamy glow effects in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Once it's opened, choose New Project, which will direct you to your gallery section. Ensure your videos are accessible. Then choose your desired video. You can add multiple videos if you wish. After making your selections, tap on Add in Editing section. Preview your video briefly. Next, access the Effects menu and wait for it to load. Within the video effects, locate the Light Effects section. Once you get there, find and choose Dreamy Glow, and notice how this effect transforms your video, giving it a stylish touch. Confirm the effect by tapping the check mark. You can extend this effect to the end of the video. And customize it according to your preference. Once satisfied with your adjustments, tap the check mark again. Finally, choose the download icon located at the top right corner to save your edited video. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.